So what is the first thing you do? लैपटॉप लेना है तो कहाँ जाते हैं लोग आजकल?
कंप्यूटर शॉप और
Online.
लैपटॉप डीलर, ओके।
ऑनलाइन
पहले आजकल Amazon में चेक कर लेते हैं, Amazon, Flipkart में you do a quick check. So he saw something, said अरे यार this is good, nice. But then he remembered, oh, और ये हो जाता है BNI में आने के बाद people start, बाहर क्यों देख रहा हूँ, let me look at my own members. So that starts happening. So he remembered, अरे नया member है, चलो called him and said ये ऐसा टाइप का लैपटॉप है, मुझे लेना है. तो he said, सर मेरे पास फ्रेश लॉट आया है which is even better than those specs that you've given. Let me show it to you. बोल के वो डेमो देता है. This guy loves it. He says, what's the price? The price is even lower than Amazon. He's thrilled. He's thrilled. वो खरीद लेता है. So this is what a tier 1 or an inside referral that he has given. कि खुद के यूज के लिए उसने किया है. Now Mr. Sundaram is sitting in the weekend using his laptop घर में. उनके बेटे हैं, who is a software engineer in Bangalore. He comes down for the weekend to spend time with family. He sees this नया laptop. Dad एक नया laptop use कर रहे हैं. और टेकी है तो first thought is किसी ने तो चुना लगाया डैड को, मैं चेक कर लेता हूँ. So he goes. That's how youngsters are, right? तो he goes and says, कौन सा लैपटॉप है देखो. He says, अरे very nice laptop. How much did you pay? So he tells him the price, whatever, 50,000. So, okay. So he also goes and checks on Amazon and says, wow, this is a brilliant deal. पापा मेरे को भी चाहिए, मेरे को भी चाहिए. आपने ये कहाँ से लिया? तो he said, तू इतने दिनों से बोल रहा था ना, वो हर हफ्ते में एक बार सुबह सुबह उठ के कौन सा मीटिंग में जाते हो भाई, 7:30 बजे कौन सा मीटिंग है, ये मीटिंग है, दिस इज BNI, वहां से मैंने लिया. अच्छा अच्छा, मेरे को रेफरल दीजिए. सो दिस बिकम्स अ आउटसाइड और अ tier 2 रेफरल. नाउ हिज सन हैज बॉट द लैपटॉप. उसने फटाफट लैपटॉप लिया, मंडे मॉर्निंग फ्लाइट लेके इज इन बैंगलोर. नाउ बैंगलोर में is a month later there is the annual business conference जो उसकी कंपनी की होती है, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर है. So annual business conference में he has a presentation and he makes this lovely beautiful presentation. During the break the HR head comes up to him and says, अनिल ये कौन सा लैपटॉप है भाई जो तुमने किया है, नया वाला है मैंने देखा. तो he said, हाँ, this is a new one. Okay, how much did you pay? So much. Oh, great, great. I'm thinking of giving a laptop, as per policy, replacing the laptops for all the department heads, which is about 50 of them. Okay, because the old laptop needs to be replaced. So he kind of gives the Anil बोलता है ना, ये ले लो ना, ये number है उसका. Bombay based fellow, this is his number. And a month later, the hardware guy has got an order. This is a true story by the way. Has got an order for 50 laptops, roughly around 25 lakhs का उसको order मिल जाता है. And having got the order delivered, पैसा आने के बाद में he comes to the chapter meeting. He stands up. There is one section in the chapter meeting, especially for Jeep, called as I have section, where you stand and say I wish to thank so and so for business. तो बोलता है I wish to thank Mr. Sundaram for closed business of 25 lakhs. और सब लोग ताली बजा रहे, अरे awesome. And here Sundaram is wondering,
क्या हुआ?
ये कौन सा रेफरल है भाई जो मैंने दिया 25 लाख का, even I don't know. So this is what is called as a tier 3 or a spin-off referral, where the seed that you planted became a tree. The tree gave out further seeds and those are now starting to give trees. This is what we are all in BNI for. A lot of people make one mistake when they come to BNI. वो देखते हैं कि रूम में कौन है, जो मेरे चैप्टर वाले लोग हैं ये कौन है, इनके साथ बिजनेस हो सकता है या नहीं. You should not be interested in who's in the room. You should be interested in कि जितने भी लोग रूम में हैं उनके मोबाइल फोन में कम से कम 500 कॉन्टैक्ट है. That is what I am interested in. And each of those contacts further have 500 contacts. That is what I am interested in. So that is what BNI is about.